Hey, what's going on, everyone? Joshua with Piano Marvel, and today I want to show you what this practice button does in Piano Marvel. If you have never used this, or maybe you've been with Piano Marvel for a while, I plan to show you some tips for both beginners and more advanced pianists on when and why you would want to actually use this practice button. Okay, so let's jump into the video. Here we go. So, first things first, if you've never used the practice mode before, what does it do? Let's click on it right here and find out, okay? So I click on the button, and what happens? Well, okay, it says play now, all right? So maybe you know where this note is. I'm gonna just show you right here. This is the E. So I'm gonna go ahead and click the E. Okay, it's telling me to click the next E. Now, this is an F, but let's say I didn't know what the F was. So let's say I did, I don't know, this. You'll notice that it's giving me a red note on the G that I'm clicking, and it's showing that it's higher than the F that I need to be on. There's an A, there's a B. You can see that it's going too high. If I go down to this E, you'll see that that's too low. So as you can kind of see from what I'm doing right now, practice mode is going to follow you as you're learning the notes to whatever piece. It doesn't matter if it's easy or advanced, whatever. This is how I get, and this is why I use this so much, almost always when I go into a piece. It's because it helps me to get the piece under my fingers, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and continue. So the song should sound like this. And if you want to slow down, you can go as fast, as slow. It does not matter what you do in practice mode. It's all up to you. As long as you play the right notes, that's the most important thing, okay? Now, this is what's really important, and it's one of the other many great things about practice mode is the practice mode chart. And the reason why is because, check this out, it's going to give you some really valuable data. It says, how many red notes did you play? How many seconds did it take you to play it? And what was your target time? Okay? So I played it in 77 seconds because I was explaining to you all how this worked. My target time was 30 seconds. I got 10 wrong notes because I was pretending like I didn't know how to play the piano and talking to you all. And so between those two data points, our algorithm is saying that you would have got a 53%. So let's go ahead. Let's do this practice mode again. I'm not going to talk though. I'm going to play it straight through like I did just a couple seconds ago. Here we go. And I'm going to find a tempo. It's great to play practice mode in tempo if you can, and just try to read the rhythms out loud. And just let you know too, my time hasn't started, okay? You see it says 0, 0 up here. That's not going to start the countdown until I play. So this isn't going to affect any red notes or anything for me, okay? So as soon as you play, that's when the timer goes. Now, back to what I was saying about rhythm. If you can try to play in rhythm, even if it's a slow rhythm, just keep that rhythm. It's going to help you be ready for play mode, which I'm going to talk about in a different video, okay? So I'm going to find a tempo. Bum, 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 bum. That's where it's going to be pretty much. And, you know, if you come to a hard part, it's practice mode. It's fine if you slow down a little bit. That's why we're in practice mode. It's all about getting it in your fingers. But it is a good idea if you can to just play it in tempo, just so that you're getting ready for what it's going to be like. It's going to help you get more prepared for play mode, which, again, I'll talk about soon. Okay? So now I know my tempo. I'm going to go ahead and play. Here we go. 2, ready, go. Okay, and you'll notice there that my second attempt, I got 0 red notes, took me 21 seconds, and it's estimating that I got a 100% score. Now, why is this 100% so valuable? This is letting me know that now that I have used practice mode the correct way, that I am ready to go into play mode, which is really what Piano Marvel, one of the things that really is what Piano Marvel is all about. We didn't really even have this practice mode chart until a couple of years ago. And this revolutionized when you can go into play mode. So I hope that this video has been helpful and that it guides you to know when and how and why you'd want to use practice mode. And I hope it helps you also just understand how you can use it to be more efficient in your practice sessions, and know when you need to go on to play and when you're ready to play an excerpt and whatnot. Sometimes it can be really easy to think you're ready when you're really not. And this is one of those tools, practice mode is. It's one of those tools that can really help you to know when you're ready to go into the play mode. So I hope this was helpful. Again, thank you all so much. Let us know if you have any questions. Talk to you later. Bye.